We expect to be able to transition in human spaceflight from what we're doing in low Earth orbit to cislunar space in the mid-2020s. What I'm focusing on is something we call Phase 0, which is the exploration testing on ISS of all the systems to keep people alive, to keep them healthy, keep them relatively happy. It's also doing all the human research to be able to prove out that we can keep people in space for long periods of time, and that we test all the other related exploration technologies that are needed to go beyond low Earth orbit. All the communications infrastructure we can test on station, our new docking system and things of that nature. So all the things that we're doing on station is all directed towards long-duration spaceflight, a year or more of crewed operations in free space. Life support, environmental monitoring, crew health, EVA, fire and radiation monitoring and protection. Basically, we want to test the next generation of ECLSS systems on space station, and we're actually making the preparations for that right now. There's also a lot of other things we have to take care of in learning how to keep humans in space. All the logistics, the communication lag can be up to 42 minutes round trip to Mars. That's basically running a spacecraft through texting with humans on board. The Science Mission Directorate has lots of experience in doing that today with commands and telemetry. We'll have to find new ways to do spacecraft operations with humans in the loop on those spacecraft. So that'll be a learning curve that we want to first demonstrate on ISS and also apply in cislunar space. Today on ISS, we have about 14 to 15 flights a year that replenish the crew, replenish the logistics. We can bring failed equipment back and figure out why it failed and refly it again. Going to Mars, we don't have any of that capability. This shakedown cruise that we want to do in cislunar space will do it without logistics resupply, without exchanges of crews, things of that nature that we all enjoy here on the space station. And here's just a smattering of all the other technologies that we're actually demonstrating on ISS, things like trash compactors, the NASA docking system. We'll be testing a next generation of rendezvous sensors, leak detection technology, refueling technology, all the things that would be useful in a sustainable architecture to go to Mars and return crews safely back.